Hi there, welcome to the second video of our series Excel tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. Alright, welcome back. Let's jump straight into today's topic. In this video, you will be exploring the Excel workspace, also called the user interface. We will take a complete tour of the Excel user interface, starting from the very top to bottom. The application open in front of you is an Excel worksheet. At very top, you will see the title bar. In the middle, it shows the name of your current workbook. On the right side, you will find the control buttons for minimize, maximize, and close. On the top left is a quick access toolbar. Here you can keep your most used commands like save, undo, and redo, or even customize it with the available shortcuts. Below the title bar, we have the ribbon. This is one of the most important part of Excel. It is divided into tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Receive, Review, and View. Each tab contains groups of related commands. For example, under the Home tab, you will find groups for font, alignment, number, style, cell, and editing. On the left side, just under the ribbon, is the name box. It displays the address of the currently selected cell. Next to it, you will find the formula bar, where you can enter or edit data and formulas for the selected cell. Moving to the center of the screen, we have the worksheet area. This is the grid of rows and columns where you will enter your data. Columns are labeled with letters, rows with numbers, and the intersection of row and column forms a cell. Each cell has a unique address like A1 or B2. At the bottom of the worksheet, you will notice the sheet tabs having default sheets 1 to 3. These allow you to move between different worksheets in the same workbook. You can add, rename, or delete sheets here. There are 255 sheets in an Excel workbook. Finally, along the very bottom is the status bar. This area shows information about what's happening in Excel. For example, whether cap lock or num lock is on, or the result of simple calculation like sum or average when you select a range of numbers. On the bottom right, there are zoom slider along with a page view option. You can also customize the bar with the right click to choose or drop the options. Understanding Excel workspace is the first step to becoming confident in Excel. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to actually use these tools to create and manage data. That's it for today's lesson. I hope this helped you learn something new. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.